This is chapter 3, 1A. Again, we'll go with the naming convention. Charlie is a salesman at Pickup Motors car dealership. He is performing a detailed analysis of his sales for the first half of 2018, including representing his sales and commissions with graphs. Switch to 2018 Jan-June sales. Then remove the panes from the worksheet. Okay, panes. Alright, select. There we go. Just hit the split key. Alright, freeze rows 1 and 2. Select cell A3 and freeze panes. See? Okay. Change the width of column A to 31. Select the range B4 to D4. Get B4 to B4 to D4. No, here we go. B4 to D4. And fill the range E4 to G4 with consecutive months. Alright, so grab this, like this, and use an autofill. There you go. Alright, okay. In cell H5, see H5, H5, create a column spark line based on the data in the range B5 to G5. Alright, spark line. So data, no, insert a spark line. Look at what column spark line. And grab this one. There we go. Copy the spark line you created in cell H5 to range H6 to H9. So here. Using the format painter, copy the formatting from the range G5 to G9. Okay, G5. Okay, G5 to G9. And we're going to copy to H5 to H9. Copy the contents of B4 to G4. B4 to G4. B4 to G4. To B12 to G12. So B12 to G12. Okay. Apply this percentage number format 0 decimals to the range. So B13 to G13. Going to apply the percentage. With 0 decimal places. And the non-adjacent cell B33. B33. Select the merged range A15 to A27. Then rotate the cell contents to 90 degrees. In the stack column chart, with the title monthly sales per vehicle type, add the primary horizontal axis, okay. Horizontal is okay. Horizontal is month. And the primary vertical axis is sales amount. In the stack column chart, title monthly sales for vehicle type, change the number format of the vertical axis to accounting. with 0 decimal places. In the 3D pie chart titled Monthly Sales Contribution 6-month sales, change the start chart style to style 1. Add data labels to the 3D pie chart using the outside in style. Charlie wants to calculate his gross monthly sales commissions. The rule is that he receives a commission of 2.5% of his total monthly sales if he sold more than $400,000 worth of vehicles. Otherwise, he only gets 1.5% of his total monthly sales. In cell B31, cell B31, create a formula using the if function to check whether the value of B9 is greater than 4,000. So data, if, okay, scenario name. Alright, cell B31, function if, logical test, if is B9 greater than 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If true, B9 times 0.025. If false, B9 times 0.015. And copy the formula in B31 to the range C31 to G31. After deductions, Charlie's net monthly commission is only 85% of his gross monthly commission. In cell B32, create a formula that multiplies the value of cell B31 by the value of B33. Okay, let's see, what's the absolute? Okay, let's see here. Use an absolute reference for B33 and a relative reference to B31. Okay, create a formula that multiplies the value of B31. So I'm going to go function Okay, equals B31 times B33. And we're going to have, and B33 is an absolute. Okay, so it goes there we go. All right. Okay, by the value of cell B33. Okay, copy the cell. Copy this cell to G32. All right. Okay, right. In the range H1 to H32, H31 and H32. Update the spark line as described below. Change the spark line to type to column. Change the sparkline style to sparkline style dark 4, which would be fourth column, fifth row. Alright. In the range A31 to A32, increase the indent of the cell contents once. Charlie's goal is to make a net commission of $60,000 for the second half of July of 2018. Using this estimate that this gross commission rate will be 12% of the year across the second half of the year. Select cell B39. B39, which would be this one. Do a goal seek. Let's see here. The value 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, and B36. In cell B40, insert a formula using the now function to enter the system current date into the cell. And then apply the short date format. Use the recommended charts tool to create a clustered column chart based on the range A30 to G32. So A30 to G32. Are we going to use data? Nope. Formulas. Recommended charts. We're going to use a clustered column chart. Move chart to its own sheet. Change the title. In the clustered column chart, add the primary horizontal axis title month and the primary vertical axis commission. Horizontal is month and commission. File, save as, exit and submit.